Okay, we've sanded down our head with 220 grit sandpaper. Then we repainted it with a base. And now I'm going to use peach to paint. I'm going to brush the first coat on, then I'm going to use my airbrush to put the second coat on. But we'll put the first coat on with a paintbrush for right now. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. So we're going to paint the head, the mouth, and the hands. Let it dry, and then we'll come on to the next step. Thanks for watching.